Akaolone ruro loda abu Abongun na otomano Karamoja ya daunu kopekwa na ikariuni. Loda abu idupo itunga ledo lete ilukumini unie tuakete anatararina o Karamoja kere. Aipuc. Nyezda kwa na limos loda yuara mambere berono noi kwa dale museka jar.
Our general situation is calm, contained, and maintained as well.
Aipuc na nyezda imara kintosula yuara ebeta kanonit anoda ipotolo iluda porque si chebo kintosa itolo senen nepeka boda jore bache nado bua pugani yata kintekesi.
One of those is the intensity of the ongoing operation, the effective employment of force multipliers, and therefore this manpower has enabled us to bridge the gaps in terms of securing the grazing area, securing the border line.
Araidera suli muto lude joku kanwa Aipuc Abongun Karamoja lwa yuara mchezde baka sebe potejesa inyiko kinalo sta kwenye kede ipotolo ike.
So the joint sectional forces will continue the crackdown. We know there are others still at large, but we continue to operate, to pursue, arrest, prosecute, and make sure that we lead with this situation until the warriors will consider defeat.
As the leadership, we are committed to working hand in hand with the security forces to mobilize all our different communities to embrace peace.
Apara ni Canada isabiti luda omite berasi kokolak. Iwongono kere nyezda poni kamuna iluila padaite kaimudu no kech.
This one, called Awole Podole, age 27. This one was arrested in connection with illegal possession of firearm, which is here. Is a resident of Nadunget, Moroto.
Ido kopekwa na parasha angona tuborosi anyonu nede tegiara Karamoja tukono kina noda Aipuc. Ido tomana para ni Canada washa nyesde beito raida arasasin nepeke male ara ibonata kwara anoda itodu nebada o Karamoja achamuna Aipuc.
Kora the Madeniko, they have to get the spear, they have to get the bullets, and they have to bury as a symbol that they are no longer do not want to have insecurity or to kill themselves anymore.
Godfrey Eyoko, TV East, Karamoja.